Executive-ready DPIA, one-page, board-ready summary template. Welcome. Today we'll build a one-page, board-ready DPIA that busy leaders can read in 2 minutes. The goal is to summarize complex privacy risk on a single page without losing the substance. We'll use precise, plain language so executives get the point fast and can make a decision. This is about decisions, not documentation. What the project does, what could go wrong, what controls exist, and what you need from leadership. Think of it as the executive brief that earns approval, budget, or a pivot. Clearly, confidently, and without legalese. Write for busy executives, not lawyers. They want clarity, not footnotes. Lead with outcomes, customer impact, regulatory exposure, cost, and timeline. Cut the jargon, swap data subject for customer or employee, and mitigation for control. Use active voice and short sentences. We collect browsing data to personalize offers. We retain it for 90 days. Every sentence should answer what's happening, why it matters, what decision is needed now. If a detail doesn't change the decision, move it to an annex. 1. Project snapshot. Who, what, why. Name the product, owner, and objective in one crisp paragraph. 2. Data and people. List categories, emails, IDs, biometrics, volume, approximate counts, and locations, EU, US, cloud region. Note if minors or sensitive data are involved. 3. Lawful basis and necessity. State the legal basis and why each data type is needed to meet the objective. 4. Processing map. Describe the simple flow from collection to deletion so leaders see where data moves and when it leaves your control. 5. Risk summary. Express risk as likelihood times impact using a consistent scale. Call out top 2 scenarios only. 6. Controls in place. List technical, encryption, access controls, logging, and organizational. Training, DPIA review, vendor clauses. Controls already active. 7. Residual risk and options. After controls, state what risk remains and the options. Accept, reduce, or avoid, with the effect on time and cost. 8. Decision ask. Specify the approval, any budget, and timeline adjustments required to proceed. Be concrete. Quantify with numbers, ranges, and dates. Retention, 90 days. Users, 120K minus 150K. Rollout, Q2 2026. Name owners and deadlines. Log review. Security ops, weekly, starts January 15th. Replace vague terms. Swap soon for by February 28th. Large dataset for 2.3 M records. Avoid minimal, robust, or industry standard unless you define them. Use consistent risk scales, for example, low, medium/high with definitions, and keep them the same across all projects to support comparisons. Start with a clear scenario. Who could be harmed and how? Example: a vendor breach exposes customer emails leading to phishing. Tie it to business impact, regulatory fines, incident costs, delivery delays, or loss of trust. Then show before/after control effect. Before, high likelihood, high impact. After encryption at rest and key rotation, medium likelihood, medium impact. Call out dependencies and third parties, cloud region, subprocessors, APIs, and any contract terms that limit or expand your control. Use clean text structures that read fast. A mini table like data type's right-pointing arrow purpose clarifies why each field exists. Email right-pointing arrow account alerts. Location right-pointing arrow fraud checks. A one-line flow keeps the map simple. Collect right-pointing arrow. Store right-pointing arrow. Share right-pointing arrow. Delete with labels for systems. Group bulleted controls by theme. Access, encryption, retention, vendor. Replace icons with clear labels so the slide exports well to PDF and print. White space is your friend. Make scanning effortless for decision makers. End with one explicit decision. Example: approve EU pilot with vendor X in Q1. Budget $80,000. Retention 90 days. Offer 2 to 3 options with trade-offs. A. Approve now. Fast, medium residual risk. B. Add DLP first. Plus 3 weeks. Budget plus $25,000. Low residual risk. C. Pause and redesign. Plus 8 weeks, lowest risk. State next steps and a review date. Implement chosen option. Review risks on March 30th. Keep the page clean and attach an annex for details. DPIA checklist, vendor assessments, and policy references.